Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. I bought these, what I thought were going to be chrome emblems. With the name of the van on there. I decided to name the van Vanlife. And then, it says inside the door, "Welcome to Paradise." So I thought, oh, perfect. I'm going to get some emblems and put it on there. It'll be kind of cool. I paid $25 in shipping extra to get them here in 3 days so I could take and put them on before a van event I was going to. That didn't happen. They came 10 days later. They wouldn't do anything for me on the shipping. And the things are unreadable. They're completely unreadable. So I'll show you what I got here. And you won't believe this. What a ripoff. So that's supposed to say Vanlife. Okay, we get a few different angles on it. You can see that, and it's not chrome. So this N here, this is an N. That's supposed to be an R. That is not an R. So it looks like Vanlife, which is wrong. So I've been arguing with them for quite a while and trying to get them to fix it, send me different ones, money back, whatever they want to do. Nothing's working. I decided to try to fix it myself. So these were supposed to be chrome. You can see quite clearly that these are a brushed aluminum. Look like they hit them with some 80 grit. And since it's stainless, it looks kind of shiny, but it is not as anything but shiny. So I've been working on this one for a while. So here it is. I've been working on this for quite a while. Took quite a bit to get this R cut out there. And then I defined the dot on the I quite a bit better. So you can tell that that's an I now. So now it reads pretty good, Vanlife, number 5. This is my 5th van, that's why it's number 5. And then I polished the heck out of it. So you can kind of see I sanded it all the way up to 1500 grit, then I've been polishing on it. And looking pretty chrome-like now. Still, I mean, it's not chrome like they advertised, but so I'll show you how I got it fixed. In case if you buy anything from any of these online emblem stores, this is where most of them come from. I think it's from China, and this Zibiki that I bought mine from, they are not a place you want to buy anything from. This is the adhesive that's supposed to hold it on. So you're supposed to adhere that to the back and then peel it off and then adhere it. I bought these diamond blades for my Dremel tool, and we'll give that a shot. Okay, so you can see I got the piece busted out of there. Here, if I move it over, you can probably see better. So I got the piece of the R's out of there. It's pretty level along there. It's hard to tell because it's so discolored now. This is the back side. You can see that bluing comes right off. So we want it to look like a perfect R if we can here. So let's see what we can do here. I'm just gonna let's see what we're doing, Not bad at all. I think what I'm gonna do is just sort of file this off a little. See, that's the trick. You don't want to file the wrong spot. Right? I think this eye could use a little bit more definition. You know what I mean? Now you can tell it's an eye. There isn't a lot of room to get in there, but we'll try. This here is 220. So we're going to hit it with that first. So what I'm trying to do with this is to get this, whatever they sanded this with, it's like 80 or something. I want that off. We're just trying to get that brushed look off of here with this. Okay, now this is 800. So you can see it doesn't take much, and this thing's getting a pretty good shine on it now. 800. We're gonna go to 1,000. This is getting serious now, right? Okay, so it's pretty shiny now, but it's still not polished. This is not a Dremel, it's a off-brand. I got it in Menards, but it does pretty good. There's some rouge here somewhere. There it is. So basically I just so you can see on the V there, it's pretty shiny. Good enough. Let's wipe it off and see what it looks like underneath all that. I think it's okay. I don't think the 5 is good enough yet, but the rest is pretty good. See what I mean on the 5? Now, why couldn't they make an R look like that, and an I look like that, and an A look like that? They all looked like N's before. Look at the difference. Here's the old one. And then here's the new one. The fixed one. So look at the R was an N. The A was an N. This A is a little better because I got a notch there. Was an N on theirs. So, I don't know. Exhibiki or Zibiki or Zibiki or Zybiki. I don't know, whatever you call it. Get with it, man. Your font sucks. This was a lot of work to get to this point, and I don't appreciate it. Zybiki, get with the program, okay? Your font sucks. Your finish sucks. This thing, it looks all right now, but it took a lot of work on my part. You guys need to get a clue and fix this. Okay, now we're doing the green polishing compound. This stuff here really makes a difference, I'm telling you. So let me just, so you can see. So you can see there's quite a difference here. Okay, so I was pretty satisfied with this guy, but look at the difference. I mean, it is night and day difference using. So I went all the way up to 2000 grit paper, wet sanded, and then this one here is polished after, let's see, I did go up to 1500 on this one, but I guess I didn't get it good enough, and then I just polished it with the general purpose rouge. But this one here this shiny one went to 2000, and I polished it with the green polish, and boy, that's day and night difference there. All right, so I got two done here, and you can kind of see the difference between what they sent me and what I was able to polish up. I thought I was getting these, and what I got is that Vanlife Len. Now you can clearly see I put a little notch in there by the A. So you can tell it's an A. See right there. And then I cut the R out, and instead of Vangani, it says Vangri. I put a little notch in the A over here as well. These didn't turn out as good as I'd like. This one looks a little better maybe. But at least you can read it now. I mean, nobody's gonna look any closer than about that, but I mean, things are like chrome now compared to this crappy burnt thing they sent me. So Exhibi or Zibiki or however the hell you pronounce it, get a clue, man. You guys fix your font for one thing so you can read it. Okay, so, I still want to get all these edges, just like blacked out. I kind of, when I use the Dremel tool on there, there's some that are kind of silver. It's probably hard to see on camera, but here's what we're going to do. Try to kind of see if I can do this. So we'll just tape off the shiny side. All right, let's go check it out. You think it's done? And the sun was beating on it all day, so there it is. Let's check this out here. Let's take one of these into the garage and look at it. Nice. Let me put you in a stand here. Okay, let's check this out. It's dry. It's dry. Looks pretty good to me. A little bit of paint here and there, but it comes right off this chrome, or this highly polished surface. I mean, I basically rubbed it off. Looks good. So now the edges are nice and black. I like it. Looking good. Yeah, that's really nice. Look at that. Oh, baby. Yeah. Pretty sweet. Well, it took me quite a while to get the adhesive onto the back of the emblem and then get this thing attached to the van nice and even and stuff. You can see I'm measuring there. But I'm pretty impressed with the double stick adhesive they have on here, because To date, it's been on there for about a month, and I was pretty worried it's going to fall off. It hasn't. So it looks beautiful in the end. This was a lot of work for me. Zadiki, I don't appreciate what you pulled on me, and I don't appreciate the nasty messages you sent me. But here we go. My van has a name now. It's Vangrala. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.